In this video, we're going to show you how to pour a concrete back patio, a walkway, and also a front driveway. We started off by pouring the back patio area. Right here, we're using a screed board to move the concrete from one end all the way to the other. We have those come-along rakes as well to help us maneuver the concrete around. Right after we pour the concrete, we start utilizing that bull float. We do that on the entire surface. And that's what you see right there, the gentleman gliding it. And we also run it the other way. So we do it one direction, and then we also do it this other direction. So we want to make sure that we get it, get the level from one point to the other point. And then we just start floating all of the edges, all of the surface area, make sure that everything is nice and level throughout. Now the patio and the concrete, it always has to have a slope. Typically, we give it about a 1.5% slope through one direction, maximum 2% slope. So there's another shot right there of the screed. And right here, we're starting to put in the joints. We already ran the edger tool all the way around. So we put in that tool joint there so we can break up the larger area into smaller sections. This is to help us control the cracks. Here is the end result. You can tell the really nice texture of the broom finish. All of the concrete patio, all of the concrete that we poured today was done in a broom finish. This is the little back patio area. Then we had the long walkway on the side of the house, which is right here. And then at the very front, we also poured the driveway. Overall, everything went very well. We hope you liked this video, and we encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have a lot of different videos of how we pour, different kinds of concrete, all the step-by-step process. We'll look forward to seeing you on the next video.